A lot of these girls be wearing these headband wigs and their baby hairs not be blended, sis. Like, the baby hairs is not blended at all. Hi guys, welcome. In today's video I'm going to be talking about the hair. Okay, it's giving body yaddy yaddy, it's giving natural queen, it's giving that girl. Okay, so this is actually a convert the cap wig, and it costs 20 bucks, and it's the best 20 bucks I ever spent on a wig. So let's get into the nitty-gritty. Let's show you everything you need to know, and I'm going to style it a few different ways for you guys. So let's get into it. I actually bought 2 of these. This is how obsessed I was with this wig when I first got it, and I didn't want to tell you guys about it and then it be sold out and I can't get it. So this is the outre converti-cap hair wig in Bahama Mama, and I got mine in a number 4. They have 4, 1B, 1, 2. They have a red and burgundy, a black and 27. They have a whole bunch of colors on here. 1B and 30, like so many colors, and it's $26.99. So on Amazon, which is where I got it, you can get it at like Sam's Beauty online, and you get it for 20 bucks. So this wig is between 20 to 30 bucks. Still very great price. So let's get into the wig. So I'm going to show you guys inside, and I've been wearing this for a while, so if the back looks a bit raggedy, that's why. You know, the nape area. And this is a synthetic wig. This is not a human hair wig. So this is how the inside looks. It has a comb right here at the top. It has a comb at both sides, and then it has a drawstring in the back. I feel like you can actually, and they put the hair, they actually glued or sewed some hair inside the cap. So even if this get lifted up, you're not going to see a wig cap. You're just gonna see here. You also have a comb in the back and a drawstring. This is beautiful. It looks exactly like 4C, 4B, 4A here. A lot of these girls be wearing these headband wigs and their baby hairs not be blended, sis. Like, the baby hairs is not blended at all. Laying your baby hairs is not a requirement for this wig because it blends super good with your natural hair, whether you have 4C, 4B, 4A hair. If you're in the 4s, you can actually leave out some of your hair and your hair will look just fine. And the edge controls I like to use is the Edge Fixer Glued, and this is by Kiss. I also mix it with Eco Styler Gel because I have 4C here and I live in hot Florida, and that alone is not gonna do anything for my edges. And how I know if this is gonna flake on my edges or not is I put a little bit of Eco Styler on my hand, some edge fixer like this, mix it together and see if I have a smooth non-white mixture. If it's not white and it's not getting clumpy, that means it's not going to get white and clumpy. I can't talk. White and clumpy on your edges either. So that's a quick tip for everybody that's looking for to mix not only an edge control but a gel to make sure your baby hairs stay in place. And it's a headband wig basically. Everybody is all about a good headband wig now, especially since lace is not what it used to be. Ever since Corona, the lace industry have not been doing well, darling. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start it, talking about a bit. So this is the first look. You can actually cut it, but I don't want to cut my wig for it to fit your face or a better look. But you can put it behind the ear to show the baby hairs. So the next style you can do is just the big fro. And you can use a pin or you can cut bands if you want to. I really don't like cutting into my wigs unless I know I'm gonna keep it like this permanently. You can just put in a pin your bang area. Now you want to shoot with autumn back. You know I like when you right at the top. Shoot shit ain't it yo. I'm only doing cash out, don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. So, and then you guys know just the regular headband look. You can get these turban looking headbands from the beauty supply store. And I keep up at it cause I don't facade. You see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it makes you gonna do it. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion. Get no one. I go, yo, G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more.
Yoshi.
This is another look, half up, half down. I'm gonna just make sure the back is a bit on the tighter side. I'm gonna build. The back is a bit poofy because of my braids. But if you have flatter braids than mine, and my braids also have weaving hair in it, so that's why it's a bit poofy in the back. But yeah, this is kind of like my favorite because it's up off your back. It's everything. So if you like my little styling review video, I love this. There's nothing to review. It's $20 well spent. If you like this type of videos, please comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe to your girl. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.